So let's begin today's topic, and we will have today's topic. We are discussing about cubitus varus. So what is cubitus varus? We have already discussed the cubitus valgus topic. So in cubitus varus, you will have history of patients will tell you history of injury to the elbow. So there is a history of injury to the elbow, history of massage and splinting, that after injury the patient gets massage their elbow and splinting of elbow. So this kind of history the patient usually brought for cosmetic purpose. They came for cosmetic purposes. So on examination, what you will see the findings? The finding is Gunstock deformity. Deformity is there, that is called Gunstock deformity. Thickening of supracondylar region of humerus. Supracondylar region, condyle से ऊपर supracondylar region thickening होगा. And range of movement you will see flexion is restricted usually. Flexion is restricted usually. So clinically diagnosed as cubitus varus. Cubitus varus due to malunited supracondylar fracture. Malunited supracondylar fracture के बाद complication क्या होता है? Cubitus varus. So clinically diagnosed as cubitus varus due to malunited supracondylar fracture with or without myositis ossificans. Myositis ossificans हो भी सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता. So what are the area to be seen for myositis ossificans? Myositis ossificans के लिए what are the area to be seen for myositis ossificans? Brachialis and triceps. Brachialis and triceps. The answer is brachialis and triceps. So if the examiner will ask you the question, what are the area to be seen for myositis ossificans? So brachialis and triceps. Other joints involved in myositis ossificans are hip. What is the name of other joint? Hip. So other joint involved in myositis ossificans is hip. So next question for you, what are the investigation and treatment you will order? क्या investigation करोगे आप and what is the treatment? So X-ray of both elbow हम लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा AP in extension to compare carrying angle. X-ray of both elbow, दोनों elbow का X-ray of both elbow in AP in extension, okay, to compare the carrying angle. So what is cubitus rectus? Cubitus rectus का नाम सुना है? What is cubitus rectus? So when correction of varus to valgus is attempted, when correction of varus जो है उसको when correction of varus to valgus is attempted, if the lateral wedge of bone is taken, less than it result in neutral and not valgus. So what is cubitus rectus? When correction of the varus जो हो गया है, correction of varus to valgus is attempted if the lateral wedge of bone is taken less, अगर कम दिया, then it result in neutral, not in valgus. Less कम काटा उधर से lateral side से wedge of bone, then it result in neutral, not in valgus. Okay. So what is the cause of the varus? Varus क्यों हो गया? So medial tilt of the distal fragment of the fracture. Medial tilt of the distal fragment of fracture. Second is increased bone formation on the lateral side, probably due to weight of the limb. Increased bone formation on lateral side, probably due to weight of limb. So what are the treatment option? क्या हो सकता है treatment option? Number 1, corrective osteotomy करेंगे हम लोग and internal fixation. So corrective osteotomy and internal fixation is planned for treatment, and the name of osteotomy is French osteotomy. फ्रेंच ओस्टियोटोमी एंड स्टेप कट ओस्टियोटोमी। दो ओस्टियोटोमी करते हैं, फ्रेंच ओस्टियोटोमी एंड स्टेप कट ओस्टियोटोमी। The patient is in a skeletally immature age group. Will you not allow for remotely? अगर तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, द पेशेंट इज इन स्केलेटली इमेच्योर एज, छोटा सा बच्चा है, विल यू नॉट अलाउ फॉर रिमोटली? सो दिस डिफॉर्मिटी इज इन द कोरोनल प्लेन. This deformity is in the coronal plane. Look at the photo. Remodeling can only occur in the plane of movement of the joint. So deformity is in coronal plane. Remodeling can occur only in the plane of movement of joint, flexion and extension. So in elbow there is no movement in the coronal plane, hence remodeling is not possible and hence the osteotomy is advised. Okay, answer this is no. So this deformity is in the coronal plane. Remodeling can only occur in the plane of movement of joint, flexion and extension. In elbow there is no movement in the coronal plane, hence remodeling is not possible and hence the osteotomy. So this photo is showing gunstock deformity on the left side, and this is gunstock deformity on left side in another patient, in another case, and here is the on flexion the deformity disappears. So this much for today. We will meet in next class.